1917. It was 100 years ago. Tsubaki started as a bicycle chain manufacturing company. However, Tsubaki shifted its business completely in less than 10 years and wanted to accomplish more challenging work by producing sophisticated chains for machinery. In those days, most chains for industrial machinery were made overseas, and it was in these chains that Tsubaki saw its future. Tsubaki brushed up its technology and ideas and developed new chains one after another. Currently, Tsubaki manufactures more than 20,000 types of chain. Based on the functions of transmission and conveyance of industrial chains, Tsubaki expanded its business into 4 areas: chain, power transmission units and components, automotive parts, and materials handling systems. Chain operations. In pursuit of chains that resist wear and tear and don't elongate, Tsubaki has been developing chains for 100 years. Tsubaki chains are now applied to energy-related applications, agriculture, robots, and entertainment-related uses. Tsubaki chains are moving the world. Beyond chain. Zip chain lifter. 2 strands of chain come together like a zipper to provide high-speed push-pull operation with millimeter precision to mark the birth of an unparalleled lifter. Power transmission units and components operations. Tsubaki's chain technology has been extended to the field of motion and control. Tsubaki provides optimum power transmission equipment. Components such as power cylinders are incorporated into boarding bridges. Tsubaki's floor leveling system is used in the Singapore Flyer Ferris wheel to ensure the gondolas stay level. Even in welfare vehicles and train platform gates. Automotive parts operations. Tsubaki deployed its chain technology to power transmission parts for automobile powertrains. #1 in the world in terms of market share. Tsubaki's timing drive system contributes to higher efficiency, lighter weight, and better environmental performance for automobile engines. We now supply automakers all over the world from our 7 global production sites. Never stopping day after day, Tsubaki is now the world's top chain manufacturer. However, Tsubaki never rests on its laurels and never stops growing. Tsubaki continues to accelerate its development. Materials handling systems operations. Tsubaki developed its chain technology and manufactured conveyance, sorting and storage systems for the control of goods and information. Tsubaki offers automatic sorting systems with quicksort and linosort and other systems such as picking and warehouse management. It also handles all areas of distribution sites. Tsubaki has revolutionized logistics. Tsubaki's Labo-Stocker supports an ultra-low temperature environment down to -150 degrees Celsius. The Labo-Stocker accurately manages a huge number of cancer tissue samples and drug compounds. This has resulted in the dramatic progress of cancer research. Tsubaki also supplies unmanned paper roll conveying equipment to the newspaper production industry. Tsubaki plays an important role in biomass power generation as an energy source for the future. New business. New technologies to move the future. E-Link. Tsubaki's E-Link system makes use of EV and PHV batteries for emergency supply and control. Agriculture business. Chemical-free vegetables are distributed nationwide from state-of-the-art clean facilities. This is made possible by Tsubaki's newly developed automation technology. This technology ensures the future of safe food in Japan and around the world. Tsubaki's Metamon is a remote monitoring platform supporting the Internet of Things, or IoT. Tsubaki developed package software which combines various modules. This platform not only enables large-scale remote monitoring of factories, power plants, and large facilities through integrated cloud servers, but also enables the small-scale monitoring of each site. This is a multi-platform that allows ease of monitoring even from handheld tablets. Tsubaki has been increasing its technological capabilities for 100 years due to its creative manufacturing spirit. Tsubaki products are now in demand all over the world. Currently, Tsubaki has 77 bases in 26 countries. We are passionate about manufacturing and we stand at the forefront of innovation. We will exceed the expectations of society through our engineering ideas and solutions. Where and what move will we make next? Driving the world and the future.